Welcome. In the previous videos, we learned how to set up a development environment and understood the folder structure and files created by Create React app. Now, before we proceed, we need to learn a bit of JSX. I know what you are thinking. If you are thinking, what? Do I have to learn JSX now to learn React? Well, the answer is yes and no. Yes, because the coding becomes so much easy with JSX and is also recommended by React. JSX is not actually mandatory to learn React, but it just makes it more easy to visualize what you are developing. Remember, the React approach is to visualize the whole application as a set of components. React doesn't believe in separating the UI and the logic into separate files. It believes that UI and anything that is required to render the UI are linked with each other, be it event handling, the internal state of the component, and how the state changes over time, etc. With JSX, you can club HTML with JavaScript, which works well with React approach of developing the components and integrating them to create the single page applications. But don't worry, if you know HTML and JavaScript, learning JSX is quite easy. To put it in simple terms, JSX produces React elements, and using React, you can render them to the DOM. Okay, so with that, let's get started.